Let's understand State Human Rights Commission in this video. You might be wondering when a state can step in to protect rights and how this body is different from the NHRC. And by the end of this video, you will be completely clear about it. Have you ever seen a news report about jail conditions or police custody and asked, who checks those cases? And towards the end, we will understand a key idea that most UPSC aspirants miss. In simple terms, a State Human Rights Commission is a state-level body set up under the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 to protect and promote human rights in the state. First, jurisdiction. The State Commission handles violations that fall under the state list and the concurrent list of the Constitution. So, it deals with most state matters affecting rights. If the NHRC or another statutory authority is already investigating a matter, the State Commission normally avoids taking it up again to prevent duplication. The central government can also delegate certain human rights functions for some union territories to state commissions. But for places like Delhi, the NHRC usually continues unless delegation happens by law. Now, composition. A state commission usually has a chairperson and 2 members. And the chairperson should be a person who has been a chief justice or a judge of a high court. Members are expected to have judicial experience or practical experience in human rights work. So the body combines legal knowledge and human rights expertise. Appointment happens through the governor, based on a selection committee led by the chief minister, which includes the speaker, state home minister, and leader of the opposition, and others if the state has a council. When a sitting judge is to be appointed, the committee consults the Chief Justice of the relevant High Court, keeping judicial input in the process. Terms and eligibility. The Act fixes a maximum term and an upper age limit for members. Reappointment may be possible as per rules, and often members are barred from later joining government service. Removal is allowed on clear grounds like insolvency, conviction, proven misconduct, unsoundness of mind, physical incapacity, or taking paid work outside the commission. And serious allegations require an inquiry first. Conditions of service such as salary and allowances are fixed by the state and cannot be worsened after appointment. A safeguard meant to protect independence. The core functions are inquiry, intervention, inspections, review of safeguards, studying causes of rights violations, research, education, and support to NGOs. Inquiry powers include suo motu investigations, petitions, or court referrals. And the Commission can intervene in court cases with permission and inspect jails and places of custody. The Commission has civil court powers for evidence, summoning witnesses, and demanding documents. And it can ask the state government or its agencies for reports within a set time. Remedies the Commission may recommend include compensation, disciplinary or legal action against public servants, interim relief for victims, and asking for judicial directions from higher courts. Remember, these recommendations are usually recommendatory. The Commission cannot itself punish or directly award money, and the state is expected to inform the Commission about action taken. The Commission files annual and special reports to the state government, which are placed before the state legislature with notes on action taken or reasons for non-acceptance. Human rights courts can be notified in districts in consultation with the High Court to try offences relating to human rights with a public prosecutor or special public prosecutor appointed to conduct cases. The 2019 amendment brought several changes. Shorter terms of 3 years, widened eligibility for chairpersons, inclusion of at least one woman among NHRC members, and ex officio members from related commissions. It also allowed administrative powers for secretary-level officers in both NHRC and state commissions and clarified delegation of UT functions to state commissions in some cases. So what do we learn from this? The State Commission is a state-level watchdog with inquiry and recommendatory powers designed to be independent, judicially informed, and focused on prevention and remedy. This concept is very important for your exams, especially for questions on governance, rights, and institutions in prelims and GS papers. Let us quickly remember. 1. Jurisdiction over state and concurrent matters. 2. A chair plus members with judicial or human rights experience. 3. Inquiry, inspection, and recommendatory remedies. So today we learned what a State Human Rights Commission is, how it is formed, what it does, and the limits of its power, including key changes from the 2019 amendment. Keep practicing these points with case examples, and you will explain them clearly in answers. Okay? Thanks for listening. Stay curious and keep learning. And if you want a clear set of notes and practice questions, continue with EduRev for quick revision and more videos. Chalo.